In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect ClickUp with Zoom so you can streamline your meetings, manage tasks more efficiently, and keep everything in one place. This integration is perfect for teams, project managers, and anyone who uses Zoom meetings alongside ClickUp tasks on a daily basis. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have Zoom fully connected to ClickUp in just a few minutes. And before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and log into your ClickUp account. Make sure you're signing in with the workspace where you want Zoom to be connected. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main ClickUp dashboard where you can see your spaces, folders, lists, and tasks. This is the control center for everything we're about to set up. Next, look over to the left-hand side panel. Scroll down until you see the option labeled More. Click on More to expand additional settings and tools available in ClickUp. This section is where ClickUp keeps integrations, apps, and advanced workspace options. After clicking More, find and click on Apps. This will take you to the ClickUp App Center, where you can browse, search, and manage all integrations that work with ClickUp. The App Center includes tools for communication, time tracking, automation, and video conferencing, including Zoom. Once you're inside the App section, scroll through the list or use the search bar to find Zoom. When you see Zoom in the list of available integrations, click on it to open the Zoom integration page. Here, ClickUp will show you what features are available when Zoom is connected, such as linking meetings to tasks and launching Zoom calls directly from ClickUp. Now, click on the Connect button. When you click Connect, ClickUp will redirect you to Zoom to authorize the integration. Make sure you're logged into the correct Zoom account, especially if you manage multiple Zoom accounts. Zoom will ask you to approve permissions, so ClickUp can access meeting data. Review the permissions carefully, then click Authorize to complete the connection. Once authorization is successful, you'll be redirected back to ClickUp, and Zoom will now be connected to your workspace. From this point on, you can start using Zoom inside ClickUp to schedule meetings, attach Zoom calls to tasks, and keep all meeting-related work organized in one place. That's it! You've successfully connected ClickUp with Zoom. This simple integration can save you a lot of time by keeping your tasks and meetings connected, especially if your team relies heavily on video calls. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp and productivity software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.